welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm here at my mom's house and I want to share with you guys my recipe on how to make my egg white face mask, and I'm going to use my mom as my model. This recipe, it's very easy. It only takes one egg, literally one egg, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to get an egg and we're going to separate the egg white from the yolk. Let's see if this sometimes, oh, there you go, come out perfect. I'm gonna change it over to this bowl so you guys can see. Okay, this face mask, what it does, it makes your pores, well, it minimizes the pores and it makes your skin nice and tight. It's almost like it gives you like a temporary mini lift. And I guess if you guys have oily skin, it also helps out with that. It makes your it just tightens the skin, and I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. You guys could either use it, it's probably better if we use our fingers, and it's going to be nice and cold because we got the egg right out of the fridge. So I'm going to apply this on my mom, and she's such a good sport for letting me do this. My mom, she has oily skin, so this is going to work very well on her. I'm applying this face mask with her skin being clean. She already took a shower. There's no makeup on her. It's always very important that when we start any sort of face mask, that we start with clean skin, okay? No makeup, no lotion, nothing. And we're gonna apply this on the cheeks. And on the chin, the nose. Don't apply it on the eyelids. This face mask, maybe do it once a week. I like doing it on a Sunday evening, and then just every Sunday. ¿Cómo se siente? ¿Frío?
Rico.
Okay, we're gonna let this face mask dry. When it dries, what happens, it's gonna feel very stiff. It's almost gonna, if you're not able to move your face like this, then that means that you're doing a good job. I'm also gonna apply this, and we'll come back in about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys the way that So we've had our face mask on for about 10 minutes, and it's starting to feel firm and a little tight. We're gonna go rinse it off, but before, let's see if you guys can see the way that this looks. You can see the face mask here, and it's hard to make any movement on my skin, but that's what we want. So we're gonna rinse this off, and we'll be back to show you guys our finished look, okay? So we rinsed off our face mask, and this is what we have. Our skin feels nice and firm and tight. ¿Cómo se siente tu piel?
Con textura.
Y se siente muy firme.
Muy firme.
Okay, so I hope you guys liked my recipes. I'm gonna keep on posting some more, so keep posted. Also, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys go on my channel, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you do so. I'm gonna be seeing you guys very soon, and ¿te sientes bien?
A gusto.
Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.